Now let's look at creating a class and uploading students without having a spreadsheet. So I am again logged in to the Sphero website. I can't unfortunately do this in the iPad app. So within the website on a computer, classes, if I click on that, I can add a new class, and I'm going to add it manually. And I'm going to call it Mrs. K Class 2. I'm going to submit, and I'm going to click Add a Learner, and I'm going to add new learners to this class. And just like what I did in the spreadsheet, I'm going to have to type in a username, and it has to be a unique username. Mrs. K Student 2, their first name, this is Susie L. Her birthday is 01001, and she's 2007, and the class that she's going to be in is the Mrs. K Class 2. I'm going to create a password for her, and it's going to be Mrs. K 1234. Mrs. K 1234. I'm going to click Save. And no, I don't want that. Now you can see that in this class I have Susie listed. It's the same things that you can do as if you were to upload it in a spreadsheet view, but you just have to do each individual learner, so it does take quite a bit longer, but that is an option, so you can do that and add additional learners. You can see that if you have a Google Classroom account, where are we? Back to this, sorry. If you have a Google Classroom account and you already have learners already added, you can sync with Google Classroom, and you can give it the assignments or activities in the Google Classroom and vice versa, which is great if you are using Google Classroom, not a requirement by any means.